Hi there, Oleg here. Today I've got something super exciting to share with you. I was browsing one of my favorite online stores, B&H, and ran into a shotgun microphone that was on sale in their deal zone. So I guess every other day there's like this deal zone that is only happening for about 24 hours, maybe just 2 days or so. And I saw this shotgun mic and that got me kind of curious. It was marked down from $199 to $99. So when I started researching reviews about this microphone, I ran into this channel called Booth Junkies, and he had this video about this microphone titled 416 Killer, which is a reference to Sennheiser MKH 416. Super expensive microphone, I think like about $1,000 or more, but it is a legendary microphone in the audio industry. So that was pretty bold claim to have that microphone compared to this $200, in my case $100 microphone. So it is a fantastic video, by the way. You should check them out. It's a really, really nice channel. And I'm not a specialist on audio, but that dude is fantastic. So what he did, he was bouncing back and forth between the microphones and you cannot tell the difference. That was just so crazy. Well, that was a great video. So let's get into unboxing this Synco D2 shotgun microphone. And first up, we have this sleek hard shell case. It is sturdy, has a nice carrying handle on the side and thick zipper. Feels like it could survive a zombie apocalypse. Seriously, this thing is built to last. Really nice. Inside the case, the first thing we greeted is the quick reference guide. It's a handy little piece of paper that no one ever reads. Next, we have a windscreen protector. So I guess it's perfect for those breezy outdoors shoots. And still, I don't believe that's going to be doing that good of a thing as far as the wind goes. You have to have like some sort of fluffy covering, or dead cat, how they say it, on top of this microphone. Well, we'll check it out maybe sometimes later, what it sounds like. Then there is a 21-inch XLR male to female cable, which is great for if you're connecting it and it's on the boom pole. What I usually rock is the Sony FX3 or FX30 with the XLR handle. It fits perfectly. It gives you a little bit of leeway when you actually put it on top of that handle. So you have to have either gaffer tape around the microphone so it actually fits in that weird handle for the XLR microphones for the Sony FX3. And we also have a microphone holder with both 3/8 and 5/8 threads. Gives you kind of versatility when you're actually going to be putting on some kind of mic stand or so. And finally, the star of the show, the Synco D2 microphone itself. Now let's talk about the features of this microphone. The Synco D2 is not your average shotgun mic. It runs on 48 phantom power, measuring nearly 10 inches long. It is a hypercardioid polar pattern, which is a little bit different from 416. This is meaning that is super tight frontal focus, excellent for the side rejections of any kind of noise that you have on the side of the mic. Make sure you point that microphones exactly on the talent, or if you're doing voiceover. So this is actually pretty good for those setups where you set up the microphone pointing at you. If you have, let's say, a setup like I do for YouTube videos, voiceovers, run and gun videography, if you actually want to point that microphone at somebody, and of course broadcasters and all that stuff. So the body made from CNC machine brass make it lightweight and durable. Plus this black coating finish looks really cool and identical to what the other camera's finish is. So it kind of blends in with your setups. So with a strong sensitivity and high maximum SPL handling, this mic delivers a really deep, robust, distortion-free signal. It has a built-in bass boost enhancer, low frequency detailing, giving you recording a rich full body sound as you're actually hearing right now. And that's why it's so hard to find that difference between that 416 and this microphone. All right, here's the kicker. Everything you heard throughout this video, it was shot and recorded with this microphone. I just put it on my FX3 XLR handle and what it sounds. I feel like it sounds amazing, very deep, very nice. I'm very, very impressed by this super budget microphone compared to what usually these microphones cost. So if you are on the budget or you're just starting out, this is probably one of the best money could buy microphones that are the closest to 416. I have to agree with the Booth Junkie about how good that sounds. And if you like it, or I don't know, maybe you spotted something is not right, please let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully that was informative for you and will make your decision to buy this microphone. If you want to, by the way, purchase this microphone, I do have affiliate links down in the description below so you can help out this channel. You don't pay any extra, but you are helping out creators like myself to make more videos, more informative videos, and find some good deals. So thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.